More detective work here. Let's look at how we do this. We're trying to find that shaded area. So if we can find the area of the whole rectangle first, and then take bits off, that's usually the best way to do it. So the area of a rectangle is its length times its height. So that'll be 6 times 10, which is 60 square centimetres. Then if we look at that top left triangle, you were given the formula for the area of a triangle. It's just half the area of the rectangle, so it's 6 times 10 divided by 2, which is 30 square centimetres is the area of that top left triangle. We can do the same for the bottom right one, but it's slightly more complicated. We need to figure out that that side, the height is 6, and the length of that triangle will be 10 minus 4, so that's also 6. So the area of the triangle will be 6 times 6 over 2, which is 18 square centimetres. Now we've got those two white triangles, so to find the shaded bit, we just take the original rectangle of 60, take off 30, the left triangle, take off 18, the right triangle, and that should leave us with the shaded triangle, which is what we're looking for, of 12 square centimetres.